We will play today. Today no study. We will play. Which game we will play? Water game. You like water game? Okay, then we will play water game today. Okay? All are ready? All are interested to play water game? Then we will play water game. Okay? See here, one bucket is filled with water, and another bucket is there that is empty. Okay, you have to take the water from that filled bucket and pass the glass to each one of you. Okay, all are ready? Shall we play the game? Give to your partner. Yes, yes, fast. Very good. Pass the glass. Again, pass the glass. Yes, very good. Fast. We'll see who is the winner. Fast. Pass the glass. We will see who is the winner, girls or boys. Fast. Yes. Good, very good. Good going on, girls. Good. Yes, fast. Yes. Very good, Shreyal. Very good. Start. Very good. Take. Slowly give. Start. Pass it. Very good. Good going. Pass it. Fast. Yes. Take, give to your friend. And take. Pass. Pass the glass. Yes, very good. Pass. Take this, Chinmay. Take. Empty the glass. Yes, very good. Give. Give. Ganesh here. Take glass. Very good. Ha. Come fast. Again, give.
Now we'll see the uses of water.
Aditya, tell the uses of water.
For drinking,
Very good.
for washing hands,
Birds. Students, now we have learned how important water is in our daily life. So, use water wisely. Save water, save earth. All of you, let's repeat after me. Yes, save water, save earth.
Save water, save earth.